Good afternoon. Right, my magazine holders. If anybody is interested, these are for sale on my eBay account, and as you can see, they are securely held in place, but are also relatively straightforward to remove. And these are the foregrips. This is probably the best one. Now, just to give you an idea, these are tight, they're a tight fit. So to remove them, the best way I've found is to put your thumb here and push and slide. Once it's been on and off a few times, it does get a little bit easier, but don't be yanking it. Now, I know these are 3D printed, but just to show you that they are perfectly capable of holding the weight of the gun. That's quite a heavy gun, a few additions on it. So there you go, that's the knurled stock. That's a really good foregrip, it's really nice, that one. And there's the dual magazine holder, there's one at the other side. If you're interested in any of those, they are available on my eBay store, so do feel free. And I'll just show you the other one. So this is the smooth profile, and again, as you can see, it's easily strong enough to support the weight of the gun. Thanks for watching.